Hi guys, don't mind how I look very crusty, but today we are making this slime, I guess. But let's read the instructions. Just wait, I'm gonna read them. Okay, so first we have to grab this. I don't know how to let it sit, so just wait. I'm gonna rip this off because it's annoying me. Just wait. Alright, so I took it off, and now I'm going to cut this and put it in there. Okay, so I have opened this, and we have to try to not make any dust. Okay, get out. Get the fuck in. This also is like my brother's. So I figured out how to set it up. So I made a mistake, so my mom is helping me. So this is what it looks like. It's giving just goop. So this is literally just water and the powder. So I have to shake this for 15 to 20 minutes, off and on. And then it should be slime. Ain't it so cutesy? It made a lot of slime. I'm so surprised. Like, Kay, can you? This is so cutesy. Do not fall over. It said, what, 15 to 20 minutes. I mean, how long did this take? It's not completely solidified. I mean, it's still a little bit wet, but basically solidified. So this is the slime. It smells like shit, but it's very nice. Ooh. Okay, bye-bye, guys.